So this is the creation of the new LAN zone. So we're gonna type the email addresses for the new shared accounts, and those are the pretty much all the information we need to add for the new accounts. So bear in mind that those needs to be new email addresses that are never being used on AWS accounts, because you can never reuse an email for any new accounts. And there's only few permissions and users you need to be aware of when starting setting up a LAN zone. So go ahead, click on set up LAN zone, and this should be a process of about an hour, and this can vary between different stages of AWS business, or depending on how much the product evolves over the time. So if there's more guardrails, etc., new features, this time can vary. And we get this progress bar stating that we have 16 minutes. We're gonna have some preventive guardrails, which are service control policies, and two detective guardrails. There are AWS config rules that will check for policy violations. I'll be pausing the video while this is moving on, but we're gonna see some changes from time to time. So there are CloudFormation stacks being set up in the background, and now we have about 2 organization units. The one account, the regional one, and soon after we'll be able to see the 2 new shared accounts on the account section. The audit account that keeps CloudTrail records, some other security audit stuff, and the log accounts where we can consolidate other logs from several different kinds of products. So we see new accounts, and right now no guardrails. Those are being setting up over the stacks, and they're running on the background. In the meantime, you can see the progress bar still half an hour running, and now we see more of the elements of our landing zones being configured and available for use. Right now there's about 5 or 6 guardrails, and once we're done we jump into the 17 ones. So right above on the top right of the screen you now see 13 guardrails. 15 minutes to go, and here we are. Once everything done and complete, we can see all the information about the accounts, and you can start reviewing users, shared accounts, organization units, and create new accounts using the account factory, which is a service available under the service catalog AWS function. And so setting up a new landing zone with a new account is pretty much quick, about an hour. We just need to provide 2 email address, and in background AWS runs everything for you. Bear in mind that those IP addresses need to be new. If you're reusing one, eventually the process will break and fail, and you have to restart with different email address, if you leave any created accounts in between. So it happened to me once. So be aware that for now, Control Tower needs to have everything new about the uh, AWS account emails. So here we see the user groups, permission sets that were created for these new organizations. They all work under AWS single sign-on with individual directory. There are 3 organization units that control the initial accounts. You can add more OUs over Control Tower interface console. You can see the shared accounts. And on final warning information, don't do anything account related outside the Control Tower. So don't create or move accounts and organization units outside Control Tower. You prevent Control Tower tracking those changes, so the resource will be still valid but isolated. Control Tower won't be able to manage them. And I hope this has been helpful. Quick intro to Control Tower. Thank you.